So in this video I'm gonna show you how to pair Audio Technica earbuds with your Windows PC. First of all, open this charging case and remove both earbuds. Next, you have to take a look on this indicator. It starts blinking. So right now all we have to do is just open the Bluetooth settings. Now click to add device, select Bluetooth device, and now select your Audio Technica ATH-SQ1TW earbuds. We have to click connect instead of cancel, and we are connected. So that's all for this video. Hope you like it.